Hi, yeah, it's me, Natalie or Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. So, today is my sparkle supply haul. So, as you can see, I love sparkles. I've not opened it actually, so we'll be opening it together. I'll cut it with the scissors, it's going to be easier. So, this month is June. I will show you all Lavaine's socials. I love these boxes. She's on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and that's her website, sparklesupply.co.uk. I love sparkles, mate. I love it. I get really excited when they yeah, such a child. So I'll guarantee 100% there's a lolly in this. I bet you. Nothing on today, no gloves, nothing, just my that one's a bit sore. So I had a curry the other night. It's turned me some of my nails a bit yellow. Does anybody else do that when they have curry? Because I always get a naan bread, and I pick the sauce. Well, it weren't out of sauce. There weren't a lot of sauce in the thing actually. Anyway, I'm going on. So my nails are going a bit yellow. Anyway, so let's see what we got this month. Ooh, told you. Always a lollipop. And she always puts that in. It's so nice. Thank you for your order. Oh, I have enclosed a little sweetie gift as a thank you. Please check the ingredient listed. But oh, she's such a love. So, some nices in this. Right, I'll have to do this one first. It's called Majestic Glitter. No, it's not. It's not called Majestic Glitter, but it's popping out. It's called Frosting Glitter. Oh my God. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that. That is gorgeous. I'm not going to get it out because I'll get it all over if I do. So the next, oh, brilliant. Brilliant. I've been after something like this for ages. Absolute ages. I'm sorry, I'm going off on a drama queen. This is the Majestic Glitter. It's got that like a royal, oh, look at that. It's like a royal blue to purple to pink. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, God, these are stunning. Where did she get these from? I've never seen these before. Iris gems. Oh, these, look at them. Oh, flipping it, I've got to get these out. We'll have to have a look at these. Not seen these before. I've not seen anything like these before. I really haven't. Have any of you lot seen anything? I'll be using these very soon. Look at these. Look at them. Oh my God, they are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. They are so pretty. Honestly, how does she do it, Lorraine? No, I don't know. And they're not that expensive, these boxes. They're only about, they work out, this one, they're $12.99 a month and then it's your shipping. And this one was £13 for a month. She must have these on her website. Well, these will be on her website in July. We get them a month early, I think. I love them. These have got to be my favourite. I've never seen any like that before. They're my favourites, definitely. Then we've got Chameleon Dreams. That's beautiful, isn't it? It's all around that purple theme, isn't it? I saw something in here. Oh dear. We've got this Sunset Dreams, which is this. Look at that. That's perfect for summer, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. But I've saved one of the best till last. This is called, my birthday's Amethyst as well. It's called Amethyst Micro. Oh, God. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, dead excited. I mean, I don't know how she does it. You can't get it for this much. You just can't. I don't see things like this. You can't get things like this on Temu and places like that. No. You just yeah. So that is my Sparkle Supply June box, and I'm really excited. Yeah, and if you want one of these, you can use my code NFM15 for 15% off. Bit of a shameless plug there. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe and join the Glam Slam fam. I do have something very exciting coming up. It's for my friend on here who's called Trisha's Motorhome Madness. I'm doing her a set of nails. Yeah, so that's coming up. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So yeah, and that's it. Let me know what you think, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, like I say, subscribe and come back again. Leave me some comments and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.